Hi students, this is Chakravarti, your science and biology teacher. Today I am going to explain you about types of magnets and their common uses. Types of magnets and their common uses. So if you see, commonly we are using the magnet for playing commonly at our home. So many times we may play with our magnets by using safety pins and some other pins, iron pins, jump pins, some other iron clips, and we many times play with these magnets. But do you think this magnet is only using for playing? No. This magnet is having many types of uses. Magnet is having many types of uses. So anyway, first of all, we have to know that what type of magnets are there. Commonly, what type of magnets are there? According to our textbook, we have 4 types of magnets. According to our textbook, we have 4 type of magnets. Let's go one by one. Okay. So first one is bar magnet, second one is the ring magnet, third one is the horseshoe magnet, and fourth one is the disc magnet. Once again I am repeating: bar magnet, ring magnet, horseshoe magnet, disc magnet. We will go one by one. So this is the bar magnet. This is the bar magnet. If you see this bar magnet is having a shape of rectangular shape. It is having a shape of rectangular. The length is more, but the width is very smaller one. So the length is more and the width is very smaller one. So this is the bar magnet. It is also having the same property of attraction, but the shape is different. Based on the shapes, the magnets also different. Okay. Second one, see this. This is the ring magnet. This is the ring magnet. Why it is called as a ring? Because it looks like a ring shape. Because it is a circle in shape, but in the middle itself it is having a hole. So in that hole they can put any iron item or whatever for the purpose of use. And the third one is it is a disc magnet. It is called as a disc magnet. Do you know disc magnet? So it is like a disc. It is a completely looks like a disc. Means it is not having any hole. It is look like a circle shape, but it is not containing any hole in the middle of the magnet. If it is having a hole, then we can call that as a ring magnet, but the disc magnet never contains any hole in them. Okay. And then another one, it is called as a horseshoe magnet. It is called as horseshoe magnet. Why it is called as a horseshoe magnet? You know, because the shape of this magnet is look like a U shape. The shape of the magnet looks like U shape. That's why this magnet is known as a horseshoe magnet. Okay. And now we are going to learn about very simple and common uses of the magnets. Have you ever visited any offices or bank or school offices or principal sir room? Anywhere, if you go in the offices itself, you will find a small box, plastic box which contains a cap with a magnet. The cap which contains with the magnet. We can't see any magnet from the outside, but the cap itself, it consists of some magnetic material. Why? Because so in the office itself they usually uses some pins, okay, jump pins and some of the pins. Okay. So these pins and jump pins they have to attach to the papers itself. So for that purpose it is very easy to pick up the each one pins and each one jump in, they will keep in this box itself. It is called as a magnetic box. Okay, this box is used to keep okay, jump pins and safety pins, all pins. Okay, and another one, it is called as common use, it is door stoppers. Have you ever seen this door stopper at your home? Yes, we can see these door stoppers in almirahs, cupboards. We can find this kind of the door stoppers and dressing tables. Okay, usually at our home dressing tables are there. No? When we open this dressing table, we can find this type of door stoppers also in them. Okay, and this is one kind of the door stopper. This door stopper is also used to keep the door which not closing automatically. So whenever we want to close, we have to remove the magnet pin, then automatically it will come forward. Okay, and one more common uses. Have you ever opened your fridge itself? If you open your fridge, the fridge itself, it pushes you, it pulls you towards the fridge. It pulls you towards the fridge itself. So it applies some pressure. The fridge itself applies some pressure towards you to pull in front of the fridge itself. Why? Because the fridge itself, it consists of, it is called as a gasket. That gasket itself, it consists of magnetic blades. These magnetic blades always keeps them to close the door hardly. Okay, when you close the door of the fridge, automatically it will attract, click sound will come, then automatically the door will be closed. But when you want to open the door itself, you have to apply some more pressure, because the gasket itself, it consists of some magnetic blades that is very useful for the fridge to prevent the leakage of the cooling. Okay, and then one more use of magnets are, so we are using this compass, it is called as. One more use of magnets are, so we are using this compass, it is called as compass. Okay, do you know what is the use of compass? Yes, compass, we can find the directions by using the compass. If you see this compass, it is having one needle. That needle also helps us to show which direction we are moving. So we will learn many things later on about the compass. It is a special topic, but again, so one more common uses of magnet is, have you ever see the speakers, sound speakers? If you take any sound speaker, the back side of the sound speaker, it is consists of a magnet, ring magnet. It consists of a ring magnet. So this magnet helps to produce the sound waves. It helps to produce the sound waves. It converts the electronic waves into sound waves. Okay, and one more uses of this magnet is, so if you see this fans, if you go to the mechanic, when they open this fans, the fan itself, it consists one type of the magnet. So this magnet helps to rotate the fan itself. Okay, and one more uses of this magnet is, wherever you go and open the motors, water pump sets or motors. So the motor itself, it consists of some of the magnet. That magnet helps to move or rotate the motor from one side to another side, like a circle way, it will move. Okay, so these are the common uses